Trivia teams, assemble! Do you know you're vibrating from your adamantium? Can you name all 6 Infinity Stones? Do you have what it takes to wield the knowledge of a true Marvel fan? Then assemble your team and join us for the ultimate Marvel Cinematic Universe Trivia Night, tonight, July 29th at Dave & Buster's Colorado Springs, 9279 Highlands Ridge Heights. Hope you guys come out and join us, test your knowledge on the MCU from origin stories to epic battles and everything in between. Get ready for a night of challenging questions, fierce competitions, and, well, fantastic prizes. Like always, we have prizes for the top 3 teams, and it's free to play. You've just got to play to win. So, show off your expertise, engage in a little friendly competition, and prove that you are worthy of being crowned the ultimate MCU Trivia Champion. Once again, Leaderboard Games Trivia, Marvel MCU Night, Dave & Buster's Colorado Springs. I'm your host, Northstar. Let's get ready to play some trivia, true believer.